My name is Phil Grucci. I'm the CEO and Creative Director of Fireworks by Grucci, and I am now standing on the shorelines of beautiful Ras Al Khaimah, one of the 7 Emirates here in the UAE. We're getting ready for our big New Year's Eve performance. So on this performance, we have 2 Guinness World Records. There's one world record, which is going to be the longest linear line of drones. Then the second world record is the longest linear path of pyrotechnics floating on the water. Frankly, I think this is the biggest fireworks show in the world. So this program has got a dimension to it because there's so many elements and they're all moving elements. And the choreography has got to be precise and we have to be at that 0-0 moment at midnight.
Hi, I'm Douglas Brinkerhoff. I'm the project chief here. Certainly had some challenges on this program.
16,000 shells in the program. We air freighted over 10 tons of explosives, flew it right into the airport of Ras Al Khaimah on a chartered airplane. 90 pyrotechnicians that have been working here for 2 weeks, and before that we had 20 of them advancing the program. So it's quite a collaboration.
My name is Ammar Al-Karousi. I am from United Arab Emirates. I designed the 3 meters by 3 meters pontoons.
Anytime you add the water element, makes things a little bit more difficult, like getting out to the barges, cabling.
We have 29 positions for the pontoons.
The site was over 2.5 kilometers long, 57 firing locations out there, but certainly not anything we can't handle.
The 2 world records. The first one is the aquatic. They're firing into the water. We're trying to get a line to all these 3 circles. If we got that, then we get the world record. The cooperation of the drones, the aerosparks, and the fireworks is going to be a really good show.
I'm Marc Geoffroy. I'm the Middle East business manager and show designer. Design the show with Phil Grucci and create the concept together. To show the beauty of Ras Al Khaimah, we try to represent that with the fireworks, with the drone, and also with the airplane.
Rob Barsby, one of the pilots for the Aerosparks display team. Nighttime airborne pyrotechnics while doing aerobatics.
So we'll have 2 digital countdowns with the drones, and then up above there'll be a ring of fire where the airplanes will descend down, and at that midnight moment, the entire sky will erupt with fireworks that'll just saturate the area as far as you can see.
Well, let's just say we get the best seat in the house, I think.
Chris Lutz with Verge Aero. Verge is here in support of Fireworks by Grucci and helping with the drone section of the show. One of the world records is a single 2,000 meter drone line, the longest in the world.
My name is Tony Samaritano. I'm one of the co-founders of Verge Aero. We're flying from 2 different takeoff and landing zones and merging one gigantic show together from over 2 kilometers away from each other.
The biggest thing was to make sure the spacing between each drone was consistent and had no more than a 5-meter gap.
My name is Raf, and I'm a Guinness World Records adjudicator. The drone display, we were trying to measure the drones in a straight line for a minimum of 2 kilometers and for a minimum of 30 seconds.
So the display is really based on the 3 pillars of Ras Al Khaimah: land, sea, and sky. So everything that we had in this show, including the world record for the largest drone line, is based around 3 circles of land, sea, and sky. We have a sequence for the land where you see the water will basically turn green, and then there's a kettle that's watering the ground. The sea, sailboats, that'll float basically on top of the fireworks. And then the sky, there'll be 2 gigantic planets that have pyrotechnics coming off it. And then we're celebrating Ras Al Khaimah. So we'll have the colors of the flag, red and white, and then with a grand finale celebrating the UAE in red, white, and green.
His Highness is going to be close to show control, so he's going to have a good look on the show.
Yeah, so having the ruler of the Emirate come to your fireworks performance, it definitely turns the screws a little tighter, but you also have a few 100,000 people along the shorelines that are coming here with an expectation of a quality performance that Ras Al Khaimah now has grown to be known for.
The best thing about this level of event is the sense of achievement. Something that no one's ever done before.
We currently have 11 Guinness World Records, and every one of them are picked to be challenging.
The Emirate of Ras Al Khaimah and Tourism Development Authority have achieved 2 new Guinness World Records titles. Well, after winning 2 Guinness World Records titles on New Year's, definitely they are officially amazing for the 13th time.
We certainly look forward to coming back here and hopefully getting more and more Guinness records for them.
You know, we're grateful for the opportunity, and I hope everybody a healthy and happy 2024.
I wish you a happy new year 2024 and enjoy this year.
سنة سعيدة على الجميع 2024.
Happy New Year all, and wish you an amazing year and a more successful one.
On behalf of the entire Grucci family, a happy New Year's and a safe 2024.